How to fix Google Meet video problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Meet video problem on Android phone. First, open settings, and open Play Store and make sure your Google Meet is updated. Now go to settings, apps, and then apps again, and here click Meet. First, click force stop, and now click permissions, and here we'll find camera. Make sure it's allowed. Maybe you'll find it like that. Click on it, click allow. Now click this icon here, open it, and then click on it. Come back this one and click this icon. Wait, and that's it. Now click in call settings and disable data saving mode, and that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.